Langkung habe Memorial Town Hall Longpini Northeast India History Association atum pini plike prahini inaugural session padopon. Pini phaikonia chiklo ni phaing koira ke thom army. Langkung habe mate Sarsingteron Memorial Town Hall along Assam University Difu Campus Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atum pachur piponsi Northeast India History mate chihek pen neha atum plike prahini Aparman inaugural session padopon lo. Bangso me long nang kachetong dun ke ACCM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang MSCEM Lapen Team Karbiang long atunta nang chetong dun si me padopon lo. Lapen pinang an history lo thui tame CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang arideng pensi impupon lo. Ini paing koi ra ke thom army pen paing koi ra pho am bangso me padopon po pusi birta long lo de kupeng surajit seti Karbiang long times.
Along with all the academics in the attendance, it is a great honor to be able to host the 22nd session of the Northeast India History Association NEHA. At this august moment, I would like to take this opportunity to convey my sincere gratitude to the Northeast India History Association for a great moment of the world remains done. I therefore invite the Northeast India History Association to collaborate with us in doing research. The Northeast India History Association is playing a pivotal role in building a connection and bridging the gaps across communities in this region. I also come to know that the association publishes the proceedings of the sessions. Those publications, I am sure, have guided the part of history writing in this region.
Ini ke lagi state long city lagi. Jadi tunggu cihok lagi, pak ini karang lagi bangke Northeast India History Association. 42nd lasa conference ke da Karbiang Autonomous Council pen Langkung Assam University Campus Central University Campus lab. Nah ini Langkung sini tunggu ini foto lapen kedat participants atum hotel bang tang na chitong dulu Northeast pen ke bang pen angkan pen cenglok 300 delegates tu nasi pilih kecing siang ni siang ni bukan hang nasi ini ada nang dunik lo la pen jenis man kang tua mai senang hat GPS hisap pun sini si nyarong lo la som sosok si dia kaprek I wins dia tum kan beng dah make ba dia pan oripon mom lo non na son Northeast History Association of some ke siap pun imo lo la ke si ini ke state long si BB la ke dari tum da state long da capital long si BB nama state ke fikir pada si BB sudah ada banyak dari memang responsible pakai polisi pada itu Central University Campus Langkung.